today we finished wiring the gauges and we made a new shifter. I'll take credit for the bottom part. The top part I bought off of Amazon for like $10. So that was fun. So here's that. Here's a shifter. Get to see all that funness in the time lapse. And the other part of the wiring we finished. It goes to all of the gauges. Did have to hot wire one wire for the tack. I forgot what that white wire was. It's for illumination, so you can wire it up to like a headlight switch. I didn't, and I didn't put it in the right harness, so I kind of hot wired it in there. But it'll be fine. I'll split limit together, and it looks fine. It's all right. It's good enough. But we have all of our signal wires now coming through the firewall and going to all of our gauges, and it works great. We started the car up a little bit, let it run for a little while. So you're going to take this back out and split limit, but we can do that later. It's a nice serviceable harness, so no big deal there. So it's a lot of work we did today. Probably going to be a lot of time lapse, but it was necessary. So, all right, see you tomorrow.